There's a bird trying to pick a lock. Good luck with that. You are so photogenic, aren't you? Whoa! Hold up there.
Trying to pick the lock again, are ya?
Good luck with that, bud.
We should seriously send him to ask you.
Oh my god, he's gonna get it.
Oh my god, he's gonna get it, seriously.
I'll put this on YouTube. Bird tries to pick lock.
It's not gonna work, buddy, I'm sorry.
Good luck with that. You almost got it that one time.
How do you feel about this bird?
I feel that he knows how to get out, but he can't because he's a bird.
It's not gonna work, buddy.
He almost got the lock in there.
Dude, it's seriously not gonna work. Get him from this point of view.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he's actually got it. Kelsey, come over here. Take it. Come on, you almost got it. Whoa!
Hello! 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 Stop moving!
That was funny. He scared the crap out of me.
Hello! Hello! Pretty birdie.
Hi.
Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye.
Bye, puppy.